Hi there, I'm Sandra, and I'm the product manager of the integrations team here at Northspyre. And I'm going to give you a quick demo of our newest integration with Sage 300. Our two-way integrations make it easy to send invoices, commitments, and vendors to and from your accounting system, and eliminate that back and forth you have with your accounting team about the status of an invoice. I'm going to show you how to quickly export an invoice, how it's handled in Sage 300, and how your payment status will sync automatically with Northspyre with no clicks needed. So let's jump into it. As you can see, I have my draw request page open already, and we're going to view all our current invoices. Since this project has already been linked with Sage 300, we can just go ahead and select an invoice to send over. I'm going to pick this one from a vendor called Lowe's Pro Supply. And if we go into the invoice details, we can find things like the invoice number, the total amount, the invoice date, and more. We can also see the payment history. And since this reads $0, we know that this is an invoice that hasn't been paid yet. So let's go ahead and send this over to Sage 300. Now let's see what it looks like in Sage 300. So if we go to Inquiry, Invoice Inquiries, and the Invoice Register, we can find the invoice. Since this vendor was linked with an accounting vendor called Sage Vendor 1, we'll click on this, and we can see the invoice listed here. If we want to double check that the invoice number, date, and amount are correct, we can go back and double check the invoice details. Since we can tell this matches, we'll go ahead and post this invoice. Now that this invoice has been posted, we can go ahead and pay this invoice. We'll go to the invoice register again, select the master list, and once again find Sage Vendor 1. So now we can go ahead and pay the invoice. We'll go to Tasks and Print Quick Checks. Select the vendor once again, and then enter the amount. For this, we'll pay the full amount. We'll then accept the invoice, print the check, and we can find it on our desktop. Here's the invoice. And finally, the part you've all been waiting for. You can see the payment history update under the invoice details back in Northspyre. So as you can see, the amount has been paid in full. This is our demo of Sage 300, and thank you for tuning in.